going on far note. Chopping the 34 up to date. Should be me. Just went over to the Bros Christians, installed his welder and his gas. Yeah, let's get into it, eh? As you seen in the last video, she's a bit of a mess, eh? But cutting it off there, cut it all up there, get rid of all that, chop that, get rid of all of that, and then we're gonna see how these bad boys fit. Hopefully they sit inside our rail, make those nice and solid. Run a bar from here down to there, or should be onto the top of that, and then that's us. Let's get it going. Good enough. Better than good. Just making some brackets, mate. Oh, what do you call them? Plates. Plates for our tube to go on there. See, got our template made. Just fucking tidied all that up because it's all going to be welded. And then going to chop some of that steel up. It's going to sit like that. Weld it all in there. Probably chop that off. And then tube down to there, and then tube from there down up to there. It should be solid, one big unit, mate. Be able to push fucking trucks at this one. That's what we got up to last night. Chopped those bad boys off. Oh, hammered these into place. Getting a bit of a notch weld around there. Still got a weld down in her under there. But yeah, she's pretty solid. She's pretty straight. Just notchy that in. Woohoo! Straight as, bruh. Straight with the rails, cuz. Straight with the rails. Not bad for an eye job, eh? And yeah, just got these plates tack welded on last night, and just got to finish off that part, grind that part down, look. And then I'll finish welding them. They should look nice. Get ready for our bar to go on. So I just gotta grind this part back. I didn't shape that, I just shaped all this part, and then we'll fucking cover it up with some paint, and then yeah, start tubing it. Tube, 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 tube. done there. Turn this off, I know. What do you reckon, eh? Tudies are on. Wow, dude. So ground these flat. Now to do my middle bar. Bloody pretty stoked on this tube bender that we scored, eh? Here, let me just show you. She ain't looking so crashed now, eh? So have a nutty. Gave the tube a bit of a paint up just to cover it for now. Just got yeah, I'll show you how cool. Just got the old sneaky cable tight. Come on. Just got up here. Oh. This is not cutting right, mate. Oh. Check this out, Friday. It's pretty cool, eh? Into the bottom bar down there. Those bends are both 15 degrees. Bent these top ones 15 degrees up the top here. Nice solid mounted. And then on the neck one, running a bar right around to there. It's all going to be bolt on with those, and another bolt up here and there. So yeah, funny. That's that part done. Just got to finish the rest of it, the bolt on bits, and then that's it. Start stripping it, pull all the wire out, and rewire it for brakes, headlights, what else? Backlights. Who knows? It's a drift car, so fuel pump and all that other stuff. Cheer my fun, mate. Hope you enjoyed this one, because I did. Pretty stoked, like, mean as. Choo choo.